Water, an essential resource for life. Genesis Environment provides water treatment solutions for industries, commercial and residential. We are the team of dedicated professional engineers, having capabilities to undertake turnkey projects and giving you complete peace of mind when it comes to water and wastewater treatment. Our approach makes us different. Commitment with integrity on manufacturing unit, quality inputs and outputs, skilled technical staffs, delivery on time, customized focus on each plant, cost-effective, competitive price. Our water treatment solutions. STP, Sewage Treatment Plant, MBBR. We design, fabricate, erect, and commission packaged prefabricated sewage treatment plant (STP) with various technologies for treating sewage generated by residential setup within industries, large colonies, hotels, hospitals, IT parks and commercial buildings. Our MBBR plants use specifically cultured bacteria on high surface through floating media and reduces the organic load by more than 90%. The treated water can be used for gardening, floor washing, toilet flushing or disposal. It is available in sizes 5 KLD to 250 KLD. Bigger sized STP are designed in civil works with customized approach. STP, Sewage Treatment Plant (SBR). We undertake turnkey projects for wastewater treatment plant based on SBR technology ranging from sizes 25 KLD onwards. A sequencing batch reactor is a fill and draw, activated sludge system with 5 basic steps: idle, fill, react, settle, and draw, thereby producing a high-quality effluent with a low turbidity and nitrogen levels. Effluent Treatment Plant (ETP). As your partner to corporate commitment to protect environment, we offer technically and economically efficient solutions to treat the industrial wastewater of any types and level of impurities. We offer packaged ETP with nitrification and denitrification. The choice of treatment stage comprises of physiochemical treatment, anoxic bioreactor, fluidized bed aerobic bioreactor, FAB, and other advanced wastewater treatment strategies for recovery, reuse and recycling. Multi-effect evaporator, MEE. Evaporation is a process to concentrate a non-volatile solute from a solvent by boiling of the solvent. It is a special case of heat transfer to a boiling liquid to result in separation of a liquid mixture into a liquid product and a vapor. The design of an evaporator should be with the objective of economy. The chief factor to obtain the economy or efficiency of an evaporator system is to increase the number of effects such that the vapors obtained from first effect act as a heating medium for another effect. Thank you. Genesis Environment does provide other wastewater treatment solutions. For further details and information, feel free to contact our head office in the mentioned details. Also, you can contact us through our website or by dropping an email.